Abhi Tutors. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the edge parity in 4x4. Okay, basically it's a common parity and many people can't figure out how to solve it. Oh man, they just start turning it, then also it couldn't be solved. Okay, so I'm going to show you an easy tutorial in which you don't have to memorize the algorithms R, U, R prime U, etc, etc. Okay, so basically first you should know what is a parity. If you see a normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube, you get something in a 4x4 that you don't get in 3x3. If something like a corner rotates or an edge flips, only single edge, then you don't get that in 3x3. Basically, you say the 3x3 is broken or else it is incorrectly placed. Okay, so that doesn't happen in 4x4. It just gets flipped. Okay, so to solve this, there are three sections. Okay, section 1, section 2, section 3. Okay, so in first section, do the following steps. First, you need to take this down. Okay, flip the top twice, just like that. Then take the left side down, flip the front twice, 1 and 2. Then take the left side up. Okay, flip the front twice again. Okay, this was section A. Okay, so let's get a pretty quick rehearsal. First, right, top twice, left, front twice, left up, and front twice. Okay, so in the description box I have placed them. Okay, the formulas, 3 sections. Okay, so now next step, take the right 2 times up, flip the top twice, take it once again up, flip the top twice. Now it should take down. Okay, flip the top twice. Okay, so that was section 2. Let's rehearsal it. Top twice, right twice, top twice, right once, top twice, and then bring it back and top twice. Okay, so now the last section and easiest of all. Okay, it's very easy. Front twice, okay, R twice, and then F once again twice. So here, as you can see, we have solved the cube. It's very easy, man. So just let's do the rehearsal of last section. R twice, okay, sorry, F twice, okay, R twice, and then F twice. Okay, isn't it a very simple? Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay.